Right, 4.1, the Fred Committee, which was held on the 4th of September. 3 points. Moved by Councillor Body, seconded by Councillor Hickman.
I saw that. Yeah. There are.
It was moved by Councillor Body, actually, seconded by him, so that's okay. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Those against, carried.
Chairman, matters arising from those minutes. In regards of the Lake Terrace parking restrictions, is that being policed at the moment or not? Because that was one of the issues that was raised. I don't know. I don't know.
Signs are up. Whether there's compliance, regarding compliance on Lake Terrace parking. Has there been any infringements or anything?
So yeah, sorry, the signs are up, but as yet there's not enforcement what's the control.
Is that obviously it's a night activity? So will that be to our independent contractors or?
Yes, we're just working out how just logistics and getting that training sorted out to be able to enforce that action.
Okay, so when any councillors get any calls, do they call Senja, correct, our current contractor?
That's correct, yeah, so after hours we'll go to
After hours, okay. Cool.
Just one more question, Mr. Chairman, in regards of the Kinloch Golf Course. I believe there's a fence going up. I don't know whether that's come through council or not, and I'm not even sure of the cost. It's to stop balls going into a neighbour's property, but the fence has been there for some months, but I don't think it's been through any of our committees.
Through the chair, that fence I understand is not going up. We found another solution for the balls.
Could I ask Councillor Jollins what that solution would be?
It's to do with some golf nets on the other side of the fence. The golf club is taking care of it.
They golf but don't use any balls.
At least someone's seen sense.
That's a Roseanne
Well
Jollins, previous professional golfer in her day.
Through the chair, I did play golf and I was very good.
Wow, okay, cool. Can we get confirmed by the Patararoo Golf Club?
Through the chair, I'm actually in the media as getting a hole in one.
Oh my God, okay. That's my case. Okay, where are we up to, Shane? 4.2. Ordinary Turangi-Tongariro Community Board meeting on the 12th of June. That's one before. Yeah. All right. Do we have any matters arising from those minutes? No? I'll have a mover, please. Moved by Councillor King, seconded by Councillor Stewart. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. Taupo Airport Authority Committee meeting on the 24th of July. Any points of clarification on those minutes? No, could I have a mover, please? Thank you, Councillor Rankin. Thank you very much, Councillor Jollins. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. Right, ordinary Turangi-Tongariro Community Board meeting on the 14th of August. Okay. Mover, please, for those minutes. Councillor Kingy, thank you. Councillor Stewart. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. Ordinary Kinloch Representative Group meeting on the 16th of August. Page 46, 4.5. Having points of clarification regarding Kinloch.
Yeah, just through the chair,
Councillor Park.
I just found it of interest that our Waikato Regional Councillor turned up to update the Kinloch Committee, but we don't see her at council level, and I just wondered why that engagement is with a particular area of the district and not the entire.
Through the chair, I can answer that one. It was in regard to a particular request from the Kinloch community regarding foreshore erosion and some developments that were happening in that area, so she came at their request.
Okay, but, has that been moved that and seconded by Councillor Hopper, the 16th of August meeting. All those in favour, please say aye. Against, carried. Okay, new 4.6 will be the sculpture proposal, the tunneler. Has everyone got a table copy here? So this has been through, just to confirm, it's been through the Turangi-Tongariro Community Board. It's regarding unbudgeted expenditure up to $5,500 towards the sculpture installation. Does anyone have any questions or queries? Obviously, I'd just like to acknowledge Mr. Andrew Hemmer here this afternoon, the chair of the board. Tēnā koe, Andrew. Thank you very much for coming up today. Oh, sorry. Oh, is that okay?
I have a brother called Andrew, that's a problem.
Have you?
I do, yes.
How did that work? Okay, so the board were completely happy about this, obviously, with the recommendation there. We haven't got a photo of it, but so you asked us.
Councillor King is showing you a photograph of it, your worship. It's pretty impressive.
Sorry, just through the chair, can I just ask a question? I'm fully in support of this, but I just wondered, just after what we went through with the giant bike, that the MOU between the sculpture donor and the council is complete before the work is done?
Yeah, it will be complete before handover.
Okay, great, thank you.
Okay. Any other questions or queries? Okay. Been moved by Councillor Harvey, seconded by Councillor Park, that we ratify this resolution presented to us today. All those in favour, please say aye. Oh, Councillor Body, sorry.
Before you do, Mr. Chairman, I have a small problem because I want to try and be consistent. Because if I vote for this, because that's a mate of yours, and I didn't vote for the other $5,500 for the other one. For the first time since I've been a councillor, I'm abstaining from the vote. At the last meeting, I attempted to try and get an arrangement that I'd pick up the cost of that plaque or the lane of the whatever, and I'd be paid back. And as Alan Manhattan pointed out quite correctly, maybe that's not a just thing we can do. The fact that we're over budget, this would make it by $10,000 or $11,000. If I was assured that it would come out of next year's budget, so already 10 grand has gone from that, I'd vote in favour, but I'm going to abstain if that's not the case.
I believe it's sort of ready to go, isn't it? Has it been made, this particular the statues there? Yep, ready to go. So Councillor Body's suggesting that you'd want to wait till next.
Would go in, but I believe that the funding would come from next year's sculpture budget. If I had that insurance, I'd vote in favour.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Is there any appetite for Councillor Body's amendment? No. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Now, who ended up moving that? Councillor Harvey. Sorry. How could I forget you, Rosie? And seconded by Councillor Park. Cool. That we fund this, the installation of this tunneler. All right. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against, carried. And Councillor Body abstain.